Hello, dear friends. Here I am your friend presenter Prabha Batwal back with new video is related to diseases. In this picture, you can see microorganisms are present which are responsible to cause any disease in human being. So why does one gets disease? If his or her normal physical and mental condition and overall health are disturbed, then a person get disease. There are types of diseases. Number 1 is epidemic diseases, number 2 is communicable diseases, and number 3 is contagious diseases. Epidemic diseases. Certain changes in the weather, contamination of water can cause many people to get same disease simultaneously. They are called epidemic diseases. Examples are cholera and typhoid. Next is communicable diseases. When constant sharing of space with a diseased person allow germs to enter a healthy person's body through air that cause such type of diseases. Example, tuberculosis. Then third one is contagious diseases. Then germs enter a healthy person from a diseased person through direct or close contact that cause such type of diseases. Example, eczema. Now we will take some diseases, example of diseases which their mode of infection, their symptoms and their preventive measures. So, mode of infection of polio. The disease spread through the food, water and air contaminated with the polio virus. The symptoms are fever, throat redness, weakness in the muscles of arms and legs, then growth of muscle is also arrested. The preventive measures and treatment. Number 1 is vaccination is available for polio virus. Then second one is proper medical treatment is always required. The pulse polio campaign is expected to eradicate polio from our country. Next disease is rabies. Rabies mode of infection is the disease is caused by the bite of an affected dog, monkey, cats and rabbits. The symptoms are severe headache, patients cannot swallow liquid, hydrophobia and disease can be fatal also. The preventive measures and treatment, it takes required number of injections of anti-rabies vaccine. So, a required number of injections are required to take a person if person got rabies disease. The vaccinate all the pet animal in the houses. The next one is cholera. Their mode of infection, this disease is spread through water or food contaminated due to the house flies. So, symptoms are severe diarrhea and vomiting, dehydration, cramps in legs. Preventive measures and treatment, maintaining hygiene in public places or public areas, controlling house flies, drinking boiled water and taking cholera vaccine. They are preventive measures and treatment. Then next is enteritis, the inflammation of inner lining of the intestine due to the infection of bacteria, virus, worms or by chemical or other harmful substances is called enteritis. The mode of infection that is spread through the contaminated food and water. The symptoms are stomach ache, vomiting, loss of appetite and that patient can lose weight also. The preventive measures and treatments, they consume only safe food and water, have to maintain personal cleanliness and the food has to be covered and then stored only.